Sandy from Easy Diz. I'm here in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and I went in search of scrap metal. I ended up here at Savi's workshop, and you should see the great things we can build. Come on inside, we're going to learn to build a lightsaber, and you can do your own too. Welcome to the workshop.
Welcome, builders. Welcome to Savi.
Very well. How are you? Great. Well, good to see you. We're so excited you're here. Welcome. Hello. Welcome. Under your workstation right there. Come on in, ladies. Welcome, everyone, to Savi's workshop. I see you've met Courtney and the team of gatherers helping us today, and you may call me Kembe. Now, I know this may look like just a lot of old junk, but let me assure you something. Some of this is new junk. Allow me to explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. You've all heard, I trust, the legend of Luke Skywalker? Yes? It's okay to respond. We hear there is a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, exactly. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for so long. And that is why you are here, to look ahead and to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is as elegant as it is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let's begin. We shall begin with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen this with some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. For example, a blue crystal, seen in the lightsabers of great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and of course Rey. The green crystal, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Master Mace Windu. And of course, red. Some call this the crystal of power, favored by Darth Maul, Sarge Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it is now time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. And imagine your Kyber crystal. What color calls to you? Remember, it's equally likely that the crystal itself is choosing you. Everyone open your eyes and select your crystal. Very good. The gatherers are now presenting you with a selection of components for your hilts. The ones you have selected. So just as you've chosen your kind of crystal, you will now select the individual components to make up the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the saber, your center of control. Also the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. You will observe in the boxes we have, beginning there, the chassis. You'll see a selection of grips, pommel cap, emitters, and activation plates. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers are here to help you with every stage of this process. So if you need any assistance, we're only too happy to help. Are you all ready? Yes. I'm not convinced. Are you ready? Yes. Excellent, then let's build.
Welcome builders, my name is Ash and I'm here to assist you in any way. We're going to start off with that chassis and take hold of your crystal. If you notice that there's a spring-loaded button at the top, you can take any part of the crystal, slide that up, and then push that up and slide the bottom down. Naturally. Oh, no, straighten that up.
Inside the chassis here, you'll
No problem.
Yeah, if you see like a little
slide your crystal into the chamber.
perfect. Good. So now you're going to want to select one of your activation plates, either or. If you notice on your chassis there's a red and blue indicator, you just match up the red to red and the blue to blue. So this one has like a blue, you see the blue, and you'll just match it up.
Now move to the activation plates in section 5. Inside of your activation plates, you'll see blue and red markers. This blue and red will match with the blue and red on your chassis.
Perfect. And then when the time comes, you press that up,
Red to red.
trigger, press it down. Oh, you press it up? That's a good sound. Alright, so now we're going to select one of our sleeves. If you notice on each grip that they have a lip that goes in first. So we're going to hold it like that, upwards, let it drop in, and twist into the activation plate.
No matter if it's on the top or the bottom. You'll slide it towards
Yeah, it looks nice and firm. And then you want to make another selection.
So you'll the grips.
And that goes on the
For
side.
designs, you choose 2 of the 4
Same like that.
Alright.
Alright. Great job. Take this out of your way. Great job, builder.
You'll move to section 4 to the palms.
And nothing catastrophic happened. Because why would it? Yet is the point. For the next part, I will need you all to take a step back. Please, builders. Very good. Just to allow my gatherers for the most dangerous part of the process. And this is preparing the hilts for activation. So the gatherers are putting the hilts in these crystal stabilization chambers. As long as the emitter matrix is... Wait.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are drawing, much more they will become. It's time.
Master Yoda? Then yes, it is indeed time. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. So builders, in a moment I'll ask you to take a step forward, place your hand on the hilt of your lightsabers, and together we will all activate. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then it is time. Take a step forward, place a hand on your hilt, and builders, activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, deactivate and lower your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands, you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power must not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsabers, we're pleased to offer you all a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is now at an end, but yours is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we will be telling your story. Till the spire.